never found consistency or profitability, but you simply won't let it go, will you? You ever consider what those problematic things are that provide barriers to your development? Perhaps they have nothing to do with the things going on in the chart. Perhaps they're internal. Have you ever considered yourself pondering whether or not you deserve to be successful? And that sounds silly. Some of you may snicker to that, thinking, who would think that? I'm not submitting the idea that you are willingly and knowingly doing these things, but consider for a moment, perhaps you have such a deep-rooted event or a lack of just mental health. But perhaps maybe you lost a parent, maybe you lost a spouse or a child, and that deep-rooted grief is gnawing at you internally, and perhaps that's been a barrier for you. Perhaps you don't believe you deserve to be successful, because to be successful and to be financially independent means that you've moved on. And some of us, whether we want to accept it or not, hold on to these things as mental barriers, living in deep-rooted self-guilt. Have you ever considered the possibility that the lack that you have in understanding the marketplace in a consistent capacity really has nothing to do with the trading? I can tell you, as a young man, when I first was introduced to the marketplace, I really wasn't that astute. I didn't have any real interest. I was intrigued, but I didn't believe I deserved to be successful. I didn't believe that there's no better way to describe it, deserved it. I didn't believe that I had the deserving characteristics of what makes a successful trader successful. I didn't believe I had it, because I allowed initial input from my family members saying, well, this is a pipe dream, Michael. You're wasting your time. Don't waste your time doing this. You're going to lose everything you have, Michael. You're going to waste your time doing this. And I believed it. I believed it for a long time, until I found more information about trading, and then I had a taste of what it was like to have success. Because some of you all know that my first trade was in an orange juice option, and I lost half of what I put up for the premium in one day. But I still couldn't let go of the willingness to see, could it happen for me? I had a lottery mentality. Not that I deserved it internally. I didn't see it like that.
Yo, what up, what up? We back again, guys. New York session. We are early today um, because I have to run in like one and a half hours. So I thought we might as well start a little bit earlier this time. Start of the kill zone. Good morning, Trader Noob, Alvilar, Danny, Mauro, Fabaf, Ilias, welcome man. How you doing? Mauk and Harry and Tariq and Jean-Philippe and Dogu Khan, Dominique. How you guys doing? How was London session for you guys? Let me put on that juicy copyright-free music. Alright, so gold, right? This morning sent in a telegram that we should head into this 4-hour fair value gap. And there's also a breaker. Right now we're reacting of this order block, but I still believe we should go higher. I'm not sure. It wouldn't make sense to me that we go lower right now. And that's because we didn't even hit premium yet in this range we're in. Because if you look at the range, right, from this high to this low, right? We're still not in premium, so for me, it makes no sense to go bearish yet. We could go and take me out break even, and that's because of this range. Then it would make sense, but I don't think that should happen. Otherwise I'm gonna be mad at the market maker. And then EU, not quite yet hit my area of interest, and GU did hit my area of interest. So gonna watch how that unfolds later. And yeah. Alright, let's you guys saw what the breakdown was for this trade, right? 30-minute fair value gap in discount. I entered a little bit late. I could have entered below these lows, which was more sensible actually. But yeah, I waited for more willingness to go higher, and then the new 4-hour candle started. So it's actually consolidating at the start of the 4-hour, and it was London lunch, so not too high probable to enter a trade, but the narrative was correct and I still went in. So what's up, Salim? How you doing? And Ryan and M2 BZY, nice gold trade, bro. Thank you. Going well for GU, but I want to take out equal lows, then back into daily fair value gap. Send me a chart, Dominic, then I'll see how it looks like. Still hot, man, in my country. I don't like it. I have this special purple lines here to hold price for me, so let's see if it happens. Especially draw it for gold. Alright. So we broke structure on GU, we hit a higher time frame POI, so I want to see how it reacts in discount. So yeah. I believe this could potentially be accumulation, and then manipulation, and then distribution upwards. We'll have to see how it forms around OTE levels. It's too burnout here, yeah. What's the temps in the Netherlands? Yeah, around 20 degrees Celsius, but yeah, it's very moist in our country. Like the humidity is high, so if I'm like in Spain or in Italy and it's 20 degrees, that it doesn't feel as hot as it's 20 degrees here in the Netherlands. What's up, Phil? How you doing? I don't know the English word for burnout. I think it's like clam or something. Stuffy, cramped, muggy. I don't know. That's what Google says. "40 degree in Dubai." Jesus, man. But that's like a dry heat, right? There's no humidity in Dubai. Still way hotter than in the Netherlands, of course, Mr. J, but Jesus. Yeah, and then few days ago it was like almost 50 degrees in India. Man, save your souls. The climate is messed up. Really messed up. Muggy, yeah. It's 25 in Nijmegen, damn. Yeah, that's more inward. I'm closer to the sea, so I'd rather live on the North Pole than have humid high temps all year long. Yeah, same man. 27 in Limburg, damn. Yeah, too much man, too much. Oh, damn. I'd rather be in Vegas now than in the Netherlands. I've never been in Vegas though, so I don't know. But it's pretty hot over there. There's they've got Death Valley over there, right? That like the desert area. If there's one thing Dutch are good at, it's complaining about the weather. Yeah, for sure. Can you see my configurations for my RR? Yes. You go to FIP, and then it's 0, -1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then however much R. So you have to have -0, 1, 0 and -1, and the rest is positive. So, and most of the time if I want to draw RR, I draw it like this. Like if my stop is here and here's my entry, and then I drag it like this, and then I have the -1 for, yeah, you know. It's great there, Tom. You have to go there once. I've been there. Nice. Yeah, I want to go to America one day, but I don't really like America. The whole culture thing there with, I mean, I used to think America was really cool, but right now I'm not so sure anymore. But I'm more of an Italy type of guy. I like to go to Italy. 40 degree in your village in India. Gee. Hope you guys have enough water and all that kind of stuff. We have heavy rain in the southern part of India. Some places are flooding up. Damn. Stay safe, Trader Noob, man. Stay safe. So what's DXY doing? DXY hit this order block. Candles closing inside this gap. And we're trading away from it. So that could be good. I still believe we're going bearish on DXY. I don't think we're done yet. You have the last point of this trend line still active. And look at this low. Right? And this low, very close to each other. So we'll have to see. Oh, we're still in gold. Really hope it doesn't take me out break even, but I guess it will soon. I did partial, so that's good. But I really wanted to run higher before I want to look for sales. I don't want to look for sales right now. Silver is already going down. I guess the algo can do whatever it wants, right? I mean, could leave equal lows here for later. That would be good, and then we'll run up, and then we'll come back for those later. I think that's a good deal. What do you guys think? I think the algo should do that. What's your two levels with padlock? That's my anticipated high or low of the day. I just put them then in there just to see where the levels are at. Come to Canada. Yeah, I want to go to Canada one day too. What about Albania? Have you never been there? No. I've been to, like, obviously Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Switzerland, Austria, I think a small part of Poland, Denmark, Sweden. Break even. Unfortunate. We're stopped at break even, so let's remove this. We did run up 45 pips and I partialed some, so that's fine. It's fine. Sorry for the beep if it's too loud. That's just Do you have drink beers there in the Netherlands? Do you have drink beers there in the Netherlands? I mean, we have good beer, but I actually don't drink alcohol. Believe it or not, I don't do. I used to smoke a lot, smoke a lot of weed and stuff, drinking too, but I've quit all that like for 6 years now. No drinking, no smoking. The only thing I have to improve on is eating a little bit more healthy, because I like it's called snack bar in my country. I like French fries, right? And for some reason I don't gain weight, so it's still good. Oh, I went to Bali too. Bali is beautiful. Indonesia. If you go to the US, make sure you have a bulletproof vest. Yes, Danny. I know how you feel about America. I have a color, but I only want to go there as a bucket list. You have a color? Do you mean you're not white or something like that? Then yeah, I mean, let's not talk about that situation in America. It's a little bit fucked up. Could you also look at it this way? Could you look at my idea for EU? Hopefully it works this time. Let me check it out. Hold on. Hold on. Let me copy this. Cannot find the page. Did you copy the last part after you pasted it in your browser? I cannot see it for some reason. Oh, now I can. My bad. I did something wrong, I guess. I can see it. Let me see. You want to rate this low and then go back up. I'm bullish myself too. Maybe there will be SMT. That could happen. And that's a 1 hour time frame you got, so you will expect this high to get rated, or EU's low to get rated rather. Yeah, it's still unmitigated, so that's actually a good idea. And ideally you want to see this low get broken and then DXY not take out this high. That would be perfect for the narrative. And EG is going bearish, I guess. Yeah, I think we should go bearish on EG. That would make sense for GU buys too. Those cones of fries and mayonnaise though, yeah man. Oh man, it's so good. I love French fries. Or actually they're not French fries, they're just Dutch fries, I guess. Because French fries are really thin, right? Can eat it every day. Whoa, nice. What made you quit? I can't quit beers. I mean, I want to be the most, how do you call it? At the best focus I can every day. And like using drugs and drinking beer and sleeping, if you don't sleep well and that kind of stuff makes you tired, and I want to be at my best performance every day. So that's why I don't do it anymore. In uni and just bunnin, looking at the charts. Als ik 1 frikandel eet, ben ik meteen een kilo zwaarder. Dogu-kan. Yeah, I like frikandel too. I love it. Need to slice it a little bit. Put some onions in it, right? With curry and mayonnaise. Very nice. Come to India and you can eat variety of foods. Yeah, India has a lot of variety. I don't really want to go to India though. I don't want to go to China too. It just does. I don't have anything against the country. It just doesn't spark my interest, right? Just like I don't have an interest to go to like I don't know, Madagascar or something, right? In Vienna today we have 21. Nice. Vienna is nice. I like. Yes, and then for DXY into the 2-hour fair value gap. This one up here. I see. Yeah, so we have small SMT with EU and GU, which means EG is going down. Yes. Sorry. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Cappuccino, actually. I'm spoiled like that. I don't like black coffee. Oh, hey, Jonathan from the Telegram. Yeah, you sent me that GU buy. Very nice. I think it should still run up too. Let me see your chart. Damn, that's one sniper entry, my guy. Let me put it on the screen. Look at that, my dude making a sniper. Very nice. Well done. Same with the SMT, so good trade. I hope you partialed a little bit, because that's sensible, right? Don't try to hold it full, just pay yourself. There's no shame in paying yourself at all. Do you eat Fabo? No, not really. Same Tom, I quit all that for 4 years now. Nice, son, Tren. Nice. Success comes with a cost. Yeah, I don't really miss it though. I like feeling hyper focused and always like good, right? I used to feel like tired always because I smoked weed a lot. Right now I'm booming with energy, so 4-hour EU, GU, DXY, SMT, sign of strong EU sell. I'm actually not looking for sells on EU and GU. But we could still draw lower on EU. Yeah, we'll have to see. What happens. There could also be potentially a high resistance liquidity run coming for gold. Maybe that's what's up right now. Yeah, that could potentially happen. Internal range liquidity. And then probably... Yeah, we already touched this one, right? Yeah, we touched this one. So then I guess this one. Let me put an alert on there. Yes, you have closed 1%. Nice. Well done. Ooh, I'm gonna... If you're gonna spam... Don't spam the chat, man. NAS has a 15-minute fair value gap higher up, may get filled and then drop. We got this nasty trend line going on though, so I'm not too comfortable for that. I'd rather wait for an equity open. That's better, in my opinion. Guys. USD CAD looks like it's preparing to move into a 4-hour minus OB. Maybe that sell-off into the lower equal lows afterwards. Yeah, I was expecting UCAD to go higher first with CPI, because we have CPI for UCAD, right? So it can be consolidating, a little bit consolidating right now, as you can already see, right? That's why we didn't move at all yesterday. So accumulation, and then CPI will hit. I think it will hit this, my blue lock, which also in turn will fill the daily fair value gap, and then we should move lower. And we have these relative equal lows down here, so yeah, we'll have to see how that forms. GU is going bullish as expected. That's good. Looking at the same. Well, it was your original idea, yeah. First area was over here, right? So that could have been like an entry in the fair value gap and then a stop loss below it. 30 pips stop loss should be sensible. Because it doesn't matter if you have a 30 pip stop loss, guys. If you're targeting these highs, it's already 3R, it's 120 pips. It just depends, are you able to hold it for hours? Or are you impatient and you want to go in and out in like 30 minutes, then you have to change time frames. So when I trade from 1 hour fair value gaps, I expect it to hold for the half of the day, because you have to give it some room, right, to move. Where would I enter? Then in this fair value gap, that was the best area to enter. And right now, I mean, as soon as it hits discount, you can enter. Or you can wait for structure to show you we're going bullish and then enter off another PD array. There's always another chance to get in, guys. So we have CPI for CAT today, and there's no other news, so, or at least medium to high impact. And they're expecting what kind of numbers? Bad numbers for CAT. Doesn't really matter, because the algo does whatever the algo needs to do, and it just searches for liquidity, right? So sometimes news doesn't really matter. The only thing that really matters is the interest rates and the bonds and COT data from the commercials, right? Are they net long or short? That's a good indication to see where we could head into. You enter GU at 5-minute fair value gap. In this one? Where did you enter, like in the top half or in the middle? Well done, Dogu Kong. Hope to see you in ICT's feed one day. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm way too small. I'm a small boy. Not in real life, because I'm not small, but YouTube is small. Although it's good to see like almost 100 viewers every time, so that's I'm really grateful for that. Oh no. I'm getting a call, guys. Not gonna pick it up. Not gonna pick it up this time. You know, you guys always know who that guy is, right? Man, stop calling. Jeez. GU, GU, GU. Time to move up. What's gold doing? Right, so DXY, EU. Yeah, the market maker's pissed, guys. We have to hit the like button, otherwise he keeps calling, and yeah. We don't want that, right? That guy. Hey, alternate strings, how you doing? What about your friend GJ? Hey Jimmy, what's up, man? How you doing? In the middle of the fair value gap, 0.5 FIP. That's a good entry. That is a good entry. Let me see your chart, Simp Hiwa, if I pronounce it correctly. Let me see. your chart. Yes, I wanted to see it go higher there too, man. But right now, what are we doing right now? I like the chart. It looks good. Chart looks good. Right now we're heading into that OB already. So maybe we'll get a bounce from here and back up in here. But we'll have to wait. Smash the like button. Thank you, Panda. Glad to make it to the live stream. Welcome, alternate string. How you doing? Are you still in the gold buys? No, it took me out break even after I partialed. To me, it looks like it wants to go to the OB into deeper discount. Right? So this could be a potential area where it could reverse from back up higher, because I still think we need to draw higher. And if it doesn't happen, then it's fine. And then it doesn't happen. We'll have to see. I'm not in a rush to take a trade because I already took a winner today. Less is more, guys. Don't try to put on like 15 trades a day. Do you actually take live trades or do you just do analysis live? I do analysis live and I will never tell you before where I will enter because I'm not a signal provider. So I hope you don't mind, H. CJ is my favorite JPY pair, but you made me like GJ. Now you seem to be having a nice time with gold. Yeah, I just switched like 2 or 3 months ago to gold, and it really moves. So I like that. Forex can be a little bit still sometimes. Is there any traders you follow? Yeah, I follow this guy. He's called Inner Circle Trader. I think he's pretty good. I do the same style as him, so yeah. Show us your winner for today. Alright. Alright. Here you go, buddy. There, I entered here, partial here, I partialed again here because I saw structure on the 1 minute shift. So I took a little bit more off and this was taken out break even. So that was my gold trade. From here to here. Inner circle, is that how you spell it? Yeah, I think that's correct. Inner circle. Yeah. Some call him ICT too, so. Following gold, GJ and Ness only now. How many pairs do you think someone should watch? I used to watch GU and EU as well, but I feel like it becomes too diverse. I mean, you can watch multiple pairs. It depends on how many screens you have, I think. But no, for real. I just watch EU, GU, GJ, USD CAD, gold, and oil. If some of them are not favorable, I will not watch them, and then I'll narrow down to the most like the most favorable one, right? Gold hit mean threshold. Mean threshold of what? SMT gold and silver possibly. Yes. That means gold did a liquidity run and silver is gonna move bullish too. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Do you use multiple monitors? Yes. I have 2 monitors and then one I use a single chart and the other one has like a split chart, right, like this. Don't show me indicators is here. The goat, welcome man. Missed the nest cells, waiting for equity open. Yeah, I'm not around for equity open unfortunately, but... What do you think about this trend line which is going on? Don't you get antsy about that? I'm getting a real call right now, it's not a market maker, so I'll be right back in like 1 or 2 minutes. I'm still here, but I'm on mute. Yo, I'm back again. So, what is GU doing? Kinda want to respect this fair value gap, would be better. Let me catch up with the chat, sorry guys. Feeling like GU accumulating 1 minute, then manipulation into 50%, then accumulation into highs. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. purple. 101 viewers, yes sir. Am I, what did I miss? Did I miss? 2-3 max, yes. Oh, the hindsight guy. Who's the hindsight guy? Do you trade full time? No, I still work part time. Do you think GU comes to OTE? Potentially. OTE only happen in London and New York kill zone. Outside that time not considered OTE, am I right? No, it can still come in OTE. OTE is just an indication of where in the range, the discount and premium range, the levels, right? 62, 79, 70 level. If you're new, no point watching more than 3 pairs. It will only distract you and make learning curve longer than it needs to be. Ideally you want only 1 pair. Yeah, I kinda agree. 1 or 2 pairs. I had short on NAS in London, got taken out B early though. Also missed this nice sell now. Looking for New York to mitigate something bullish and go higher. There's a fair value gap on the daily. Alright. How did you get into trading? What did you like about it at the beginning? Actually, it's a colleague of mine was into stock trading and I didn't know anything about it. And he said, yeah, you should try Forex if you're new. And then I went to baby pips and studied everything on baby pips, and then I got a mentor, retail mentor, and I lost a lot of money trading retail style because it didn't work for me. I made money but lost money too, but overall lost money on retail strategy. And then I found ICT. Oh, I actually knew about ICT earlier, like 2 years ago already, but I did not believe it was true what he was teaching because it seemed too far-fetched for me or something, just, you know. But when I actually went into studying and taking notes, actually, yeah, it changed my mind. So, for just an ICT joke, yeah, macaroni. The hindsight guy. Yeah, ICT is a god. Thank God for him. NAS London Open had a 2022 mentorship setup. Was that the one you took at Harry? Harry! Right, so what are we doing? I mean, as long as the 15-minute candles are closing inside or above this fair value gap, I still think we should move higher. Even though the 5-minute is not respecting this small gap, we're trading off a higher time frame, not a 5-minute, right? So the person who comes to ICT after suffering from retail side is the one who truly understands ICT. Yeah, actually, I think it's an advantage if you started retail and then switch to ICT, you actually know where you would put your stop loss as a retail trader. And also I sometimes still get the feeling I need to take a sell when it's not logical, and then I know it will be a buy. So right now retail me would like to take a sell, but I'm gonna stick with my ICT narrative. Did you short gold? No, I did not short gold. I wanted to trade up higher. I want to trade up in the 4-hour fair value gap. So if we look at the 4-hour, we still have this gap, this blue gap, right? And then there's a 4-hour breaker coupled with the order block. So this is my area where I want to sell. I don't want to sell yet. And also, if you draw out a price range, right, from this high to this low, we did not went into premium yet too. So, I mean, we could still move down, but these are my rules. I want to be in premium and not in discount on this time frame. So. Is there a relative equal low on gold? It's 1870, 1807.5-ish. Yep. There is. So we see this 50-minute is still closing above this gap. So I'm still favoring this. I'm late. Did OTE do EU? I'm not looking at EU right now because it's a little bit slow. But this morning I sent in this chart, right? We should draw into this blue lock potentially. But it seems DXY has made a high, so yeah, we'll have to wait a little bit. I'm favoring EG to go down, which makes GU go up easier. So we'll have to see. Oops. Yeah, 5 minute does not look great. There could be potentially a run on this low. Which time frame PYs do you look for entry? H1 above? Yes, H1 and above. And for directional bias, 4 hour and above. Another chart from Simp. Let me check it out for you. What did you have? Gonna be a short stream today too, so I have to run in like 30 minutes. I like trading London session anyway, more than New York, in my opinion. Chart. Your chart. Yes, I like this. I like this chart. And I like the narrative too, because it's the same as mine. So yeah. If I want to see buys on gold, I want to see this low ren and then break of structure, and not stopping here and then breaking structure. It needs to run the low. So this new 15 minute has no lower wick. Doesn't matter. Sometimes candles don't have a lower wick, so gonna see how it develops. Yeah, so run the low. All thanks to you, bro. Like I said, I'm still looking forward to learn more from you. For sure, bro. Keep on hopping on the streams. For GU, the fair value cap is in premium. Is it a good buy or price? Could probably go to discount and tap an OT level. For GU, the fair value cap is in premium. Which fair value cap? This one is also in discount because it's below the 0.5. So everything below 0.5 is discount, right? So this is the range. Still considered discount. Gonna catch up with some Telegram messages. Hold on. How'd you get your PD array set up in TradingView? Do you mean the discount and the premium like this? It's a GAN box. So if you go to this one and then you have GAN box over here, and then make a 0, 0.5 and 1, and then the colors, right? And that's actually good. Oh, hold up, you can actually... You can even make it into a fib, I guess. So what is the hourly candle doing? Not so much. Thank you for the stream. It is clarifying lots of my concerns. Thank you, Gennaro. You are welcome. I've been using my fib. Thank you. Yeah, some guy, I think it was Tariq, who told me about the GAN box. Really nice guy. And I don't know who said it. If you use control and scroll in, you actually scroll in at the point where your mouse is. That was super good too. Some of you guys know a lot more about TradingView than me, so. And then I have another dude called Purple who made the watermark for me. Also beautiful, really nice. Yeah, so gold is not gonna go bullish, looks like. It's fine. Doesn't want to go bullish. But we know higher time frame is bearish, right? We should draw into here. It's fine. So not interested in buys anymore. Took my buys up here, or from here to here. Wanted to sell from here, but it didn't came. So if it doesn't come into my POI, I missed it, then it's fine. And those are the rules. Those are the rules. Welcome, Tom. How are you doing, Tariq? Let me check this chart from Dominic. Holy moly, there are a lot of colors on your chart. And it looks like you copied it from your phone or tablet or something. I would say yes. Yes. Nice colors. Do you ever try to enter a potential higher low when there hasn't been a break of structure yet? I find it difficult to judge if it's going to run the low or hold the bounce OTE, for example. Example chart. Let me check your example chart. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Let me copy it on the screen so the rest can see too. So how to know, predict it will make a higher low and not run the low. This is Nasdaq. I guess you don't know. But if you expect it to go bullish and it already hit that fair value gap, it should not run the low. Right. I think I'm gonna go break even on GU right now. This is pretty good. Look at this. Look at this sniper entry. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I would say. There was divergence. Yeah, if there's divergence, SMT divergence, and it doesn't run the low, and the others do, then it's potentially not gonna run the low after. Is that a fair value gap mean threshold entry? Yes, and it went into discount. And my stop loss was below here, below this order block. You need higher time frame support, right? To know it shouldn't break the low. Yes, turtle line, exactly. Low embed, so on my MacBook. Got a free browser allowing me to tell charts. So it seems small. Oh, I see. Look, my sell zone on gold. I was waiting. Let me pull up your chart. Yeah, I was waiting for the same Ilias. So Ilias was waiting for the sell zone on gold too. Same as me. Can you tell any latest trades done? I mean, I'm right now in this one. And then a higher time frame, we should go bullish to take out this buy side liquidity up here. Or at least that's what I'm thinking. So absolute monster sniper entry. I don't think I even had 1 pip of drawdown. So that's this one. Right, and I'm not a signal provider, so I won't tell you where I enter. But you know my bias is bullish, and I'm outlining the fair value gap and everything, and I'm telling you I'm expecting it to go bullish, so that should be enough. Right. Hey Tom, how are you? I got here a little late. Did I miss something? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We talked about a lot of stuff. But I'm in this buy right now. No drawdown. And I took gold buys this morning, right? But right now, so my gold buys were from, I think it was over here. Yeah, something like this. And I was expecting it to go into here. But it stopped me out break even after taking partials up here. So those are the two trades for today. So this trade is, I'm gonna hold on at least until we're back into premium. So this line up here. And that could be a 10 pip sweep, I think. Oh my lord, it's 10 pip sweep exactly, right? Algo things, no jokes. So this high is 24,244 and then this is 24,342. So that's 10 pip sweep. Getting an exact sniper entry like that feels so good, yeah. Especially when there's no drawdown, man, that's the best. Right, so no partial yet, right? So this is from my MetaTrader, right? Pretty good, pretty good. And now I don't want to see this low get rated again, so now our bullish PD array should stay respected and we should run up because it's New York session open right now. So I'm expecting... Look, I draw this out this morning, right? This was the point of interest where we should hit this fair value gap and then we should move up. This is all done before. I didn't put this arrow in hindsight there, right? Go to my Telegram, you can see it. I will explain why I wanted to see buys from here. And if we still run the lows, then it's fine. I'm break even on my position, so I can't lose anymore. But I really believe this buy side liquidity up here should be a target. And what does it look like on the daily? We have a new swing low on the daily, so actually if we take like, if this is the swing low and we're gonna go back into premium, then we even have a larger range to trade into, so up here. So that's 190 pips up, but I'm gonna aim for these highs and that's it. Right? Now let me remove this GAN box. Right, so we took out this high right now, so definitely we should not take out this low anymore. And that's that. This is 30 pips already. 30 pips with no drawdown. Gold never wants to go to the shorting place, no. Oh my god, lol, Salim, what do you mean? Super confused now. G, you expecting sell after? No, I'm not waiting for a sell, but I'm expecting when it hits that 10 pip sweep of this high that we're gonna have a little bit of a retracement, right? I don't expect we're gonna go, I'm not gonna sell here. I'm holding my trade for these highs. I'm gonna partial at this level, 10 pip sweep, just like I did on gold this morning, right? I partialed at a 10 pip sweep of this high, or this high actually. So you can actually, let me yeah, so the high, oh, come on. Right, let's just do it like this. So this high and then 10 pip sweep was over here, and then I took a partial here. So that's what I did on gold. And now the same, I'm waiting for this 10 pip sweep to happen. Because I don't believe this little wick, this 1.5 pip wick up is gonna make us reverse all the way down. And I mean, if it does, then it's whatever. Did you enter at a 50% retracement? Yes. Aravind, I did. Snipers in the chat. Hit that like button for the sniper, man. Come on. That's a good one. You understand now, Desiree? Okay. NAS POI, I'm not looking at indices today. I have to run in 10 minutes. What I'm noticing is if a currency is the most bullish out of its crosses, it will be content with going 50% and then higher. That's actually, I think that's true. Because as soon as it hits discount, it can go higher. So let me remove this line to make the chart a little bit cleaner, otherwise this line is here all the way. Is it okay try OTE on current bullish move of GU? I will not, I am not a financial advisor, so I cannot comment on that. Gold leaving some juicy equal lows, yes, I saw it happen. Oh, it's actually just going up from here. Yeah, that's a really good target for later. Oh, wrong way. That would be amazing if we leave this and price would run all the way back into this area where I outlined earlier, right? But yeah, it kind of would not make sense. Because we already ran this equal highs, so why would we go higher? Yeah, let's revisit when it hits this. See this wick? Don't. This is for breakout traders, right? To get them a little bit anxious, because when they get activated on buy stops, and then it starts to retrace down. And breakout traders are impatient, because I was a breakout trader back in the day. I'm in too on GU. I sent you my entry. Let me see on Telegram. My entry on GU. Let me see. Damn! There he goes. Nice. Oh, you entered on a 1 minute. Let me see where you entered. Alright, so you entered over here. And I assume your stop loss was down here. Good entry, man. Good entry. You are a good trader, Elias. I know it. Tom, how about cat JPY? Is that stop hunt enough, you think? You're always with the cat JPY, right, Thomas? No, it should go. Oh, that's terrible, actually. Terrible range. So right now, you are in this range. So potentially it can run the highs before we drop. But it already went into premium, right? So it doesn't have to go up here. But it's stuck in a range right now, so it's really hard for me to give you advice on this one. But what did we discuss lately? Like, this is a higher time frame sell, right? Yes. Yes. Move, baby, move. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. Nice trade. Thank you, Ray March Perez. Thank you. Buys on UCAT. We have to wait for CPI, but I was expecting it to run the highs and then go down, so I'm not really sure what's gonna happen at the moment. Because it's in a consolidation, right? So accumulation, and then I expect a manipulation upwards and then the distribution down. That's what I'm expecting. And this is my speculation, so I'm still waiting to partial on GU till it hits this line. After you, bro. Thank you, Ilias. Cool channel. Are you in parts of private ICT mentorship? No, I am not. Dr. Lu, I am not. When does HRLR become LRLR? It doesn't. HRLR is against order flow. The reason instead of UJ, where I got like 68% accuracy on CAT-JPY, I got over 70% and they almost moved the same. So I choose CAT-JPY. Yeah, that's sensible. Just go with your own edge, right? That's good. I missed your early entry on GU. Should I open the trade now? No, definitely not. Because if you would open a trade now, you're actually opening it into buy stops. So you're a breakout trader. And I want to get the best position there is. So I will enter in my POI. And if it's up here and I see trade away, I will not enter because it might as well reverse from this line and then take me out. So right now I'm risk free, right? Stop loss break even. So miss your I already read it. When does HRLR become LRLR? That's it doesn't. LRLR is where the liquidity is easily reached in the form of a void or equal highs and that kind of stuff, right? And then HRLR is a rate of a swing, intermediate swing low. So if we look at, for instance, this one, we had this short-term low. This got rated, so now we have HRLR. Right, so this is the high resistance liquidity on, and I can go in more depth why this is the best. This is a good HRLR, but we'll just keep it at this right now. Right, so price needs to come into this line so I can partial, and then I can let the rest run for the highs. So this is a 35 pip. You know what? I'm gonna take off 30% right now. I don't really mind taking off a little bit. It's fine. I'll take off a little bit. Why not at 30 pips, right? It's 30 pips, so with no drawdown, so why not take a partial right now? So over here. Right. Right, for the guy who wanted to see it, then here you go. Partial. Sniper, partial. That's it. So I'm not gonna partial again here because I already did it. And the next partial will be just below Asia low. So the next partial will be here. And this is gonna be a 50% one. and then full close is up here. Oops. But first we have to get there, right? I can say everything, but we have to get there first. I closed 80% on the buy already. Nice. I think we should run higher, so I'm gonna hold on for a little bit more, and if it stops me out break even, then it's fine. It's a good day anyway. Check DM. When did you go break even? Not for this trade. You mean this one? Amir? When it hit, almost took out the highs, I went break even. Because I will have to wait for price action to show me it's not gonna run the lows. And I waited for another swing low, and then it showed displacement, right? And once you liquidate the first target, you should definitely go break even, because it makes no... Of course, when I partial, it runs, but whatever, man. One more chart from Simp, and then I'll have to run in a few minutes, guys. So, but I'll be live streaming again tomorrow, right? And if you're not in the Telegram, you're missing out on daily analysis, just like this GU bias. Alright, so Simp, what do you have for me? Yes, this could potentially happen. I like your charts, man. Real cool, clean. I like that you use the orange too for Asia. That's the same as I do. Clean chart. And if we are bullish, yes, this should be where we should reject from. So this is not a trade advice or signal from me, but this should definitely stay respected. Right. But I really like your charts, man. Really clean. I love your stream, it's very informative. And thank you, Buff. Thank you, thank you. You think GU may go up for a rebalance? Yes, I think so too. And the reason why I think we're going up is not just because we're hitting this POI, right? Because that's not the narrative. It's because it's showing higher time frame bullishness and accumulation, right? Manipulation, and then I'm expecting distribution upwards. That's what I'm expecting. Low of the day in London. London swing to New York open reversal profile, and you can see this is what I draw this morning in the Telegram, right? So for the guys who are not in my Telegram, let me post this for you. All right, so let's go to the 30-minute time frame. So we have the same thing, right? This is what I sent in this morning. This blue is the fair value gap. This is the line I sent in. All right, so no hindsight for me, right? And I'm not a signal provider, so I won't tell you where to get in, but I'm just telling you where what should happen, right? So that's that. Yeah, DXY is bearish as Duktung Lu said, so that fits in the narrative, and I was expecting EG to go bearish too, so that makes GU for the best buy and EU not the best buy, so GU is actually the best buy. Thank you, Thomas, for the nice comment. Thank you, thank you. Me and Thomas are I think Thomas is in Telegram. When did you join the Telegram? I think when the channel was still small. I can check it actually if I look at subs and then Are you not in the Telegram anymore? I cannot find you. Oh, your name is different. It's not Thomason. I found you already. Hold on. Oh, I could see. I used this. I could see when you joined, but I cannot anymore right now. But it's fine. I think he was one of the first who joined the Telegram. Yeah. Yeah, we had that free one-on-one call. Yeah, that's true. Can you check the EU and say which from the two fair value gap is the true one? On the 15? Or on the 5? What are you? Right, so this is a golden nugget for you if you're not sure which fair value gap you should take, and you want to be sure you're not you don't want to get into the drawdown. You can enter over here in this, or this is not trade advice, right? It's just hypothetically if you want to enter on this fair value gap. I like to enter where the range is in discount. So if, for let's say, if this would be the high right now, I don't want to enter in this fair value gap. I want to enter in this fair value gap because it's in discount, right? So I hope that helps for picking out the right fair value gap. Slow, man, GU, holy man. It's not moving at all. Three, 73 subs, damn. Then you were early. Okay, guys, I actually have to run. I'm already running late. Hope you guys liked this stream today. Short stream. We started a little bit earlier. Tomorrow I'm gonna stream again, guys, so don't worry. And Friday too. So gold buys today. Pretty good. GU buys still in. Partial a little bit. We should run the highs. So let's see if that happens today. I will update again tonight, or maybe I'll do. Nah, I'm not gonna do a Zoom today. Maybe tomorrow, but definitely a live stream tomorrow. So I will check out Telegram, the message you guys sent. Okay, so give me give me some time for that, guys. I wish you a good day. Safe trading. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. Otherwise, the market maker is gonna catch you, and you don't want that, right? So yeah, guys. We'll have to go. That's the sad sound. Alright, guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Also, guys, hit the like button.